Why do I suck at becoming a life coach? My dear friends, the reason you suck at becoming a life coach is because I would like to explain to you, if I may, why you suck at becoming a life coach. Some audacity, really, if you think about it. Am I an established life coach? No, I'm just starting out. But I thought I could use this opportunity to share some of my own observations about why I'm slow to start and what is stopping me and what is hindering me at the moment. So let's get started. Let's have a look. Number one. Actually, there is no number one. These things all feed each other. It's like a cycle, a continuum. But let's go with number one, free service. When we start out as a coach, we are encouraged to offer our service for free. And there is a way to do that. But unfortunately,